First, this is our QLQ metal zipper plating machine. Now this machine is a single tongue plating machine. Every time when we make this machine for customer, we will test the machine at least 3 days by empty running. In order to, when customer receives the machine, can be run very smooth and safety without any problem. Now this is the second day that we run this machine in here already. You can see everything runs smooth. This is the first oil displacing tank with ultrasonical. For ultrasonical, you can choose to buy or not buy. And all of this is for washing. And this is a chemical tank. For chemical tank, in order to, you can make the nickel color very well. So we add the heating bar inside also. And all these tanks are the cleaning tank. When it comes out, the zipper past the oven case. In order to, the plating color can be kept more long time. After oven. Now this is the second day running. Everything runs really well. Now in here we are doing other machine order. Look at here has so many machine order. All of this are machine order already. So if you are interested for our QLQ metal zipper plating machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.